Now, that's the stock that is on our radar. It's up around 5% this morning. There was a large trade on the stock. In fact, now as we speak, the stock is up 7%. The transaction with multiples has completed today. So Piramal has transferred 26% of his stake to multiples private equity, where around 3.7 crore shares or 26% equity changed hands in two block deals. Remember, it was in July 2025 where, the deal was first announced where promoters agreed to sell 32% stake to multiples and others at around 388 rupees per share. And as part of that deal, multiples also had to go ahead and announce a mandatory open offer for additional 26%. Now, as norm has it, that the 26% worth open offer money has to be deposited in an escrow account for minority shareholders. So that is what multiples did. So they had their monies worth 26% deposited in the escrow account, and they bought 6% stake from Piramal in the first tranche in September. Thereafter, the entire minority shareholder sort of open offer got over, and yesterday they got the money back in their account. And the first thing that they did with that money is buy the 26% that was promised from Piramal, and that's exactly what happened. So in September, 6% transfer. Today, 26% transfer with all that 32% deal to multiples and others has completed. And after this, Piramal continues to hold 20% stake in the company. Importantly, now what we have to look at from here, the stock has been an underperformer, a rank underperformer. Before today's move also was below the offer price of 388 rupees. And now that the deal is done, at least the agreed upon part of the deal is done, all eyes will be on the turnaround strategy for VIP. The underlying industry is fairly strong. Can VIP regain its past glory, competitiveness and swift growth or not, is something that the street will be watching out for, along with multiples' own investment tenure, any further capital investment that they do in the company, and any further management changes as well. Because from the announcement of the deal to now, the MD, Neetu Kashiramka, has also tendered her resignation. So that's about VIP. That explains the 7% move that we're seeing on VIP.
Doing well, VIP. Well, of course, as Mangalam highlighted, it's an underperformer to say the least. So it'll be interesting to see what is the road ahead now for the company, with multiples now having a significant stake in VIP Industries. But the other mover today